Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile if you are facing hanging issue, network related issue or battery related issue, then in this video I am going to tell you 5-6 developer option setting. If you are doing that setting, you might have feel improved battery performance, improved network performance, improved hanging issue in your mobile. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching this. So just go to this setting. If you are knowing how to activate the developer option, then go ahead. If you are not knowing, then I have already made a video, go and see. I will quickly tell here. Just go below here, developer option is coming. If you have activated it, it will come. Otherwise, go to about phone and then go to the software information and then build number. Just tap on 7-8 times, and here, because I have activated it, it is telling that no need, developer mode has already been activated. After tapping 7-8 times, you have to enter your pattern, and after that, when you will go to the root of the setting, you will find it here. Just go to the developer option. In developer option, you will see many settings. So first you have to go to the Wi-Fi settings. Just go below here, Wi-Fi scan throttling. Just turn it on. This is the first setting. This will reduce the battery drain and improve the network performance. Turn it on. The second is Wi-Fi safe mode. This will prioritize the Wi-Fi stability over performance, so you can also turn it on. The third one is, go to the app section, go below. This is drawing sections. You can also go here, but I will go to the app sections, and in app section here, background process limit, it is at the standard limit. Select at most 1 or 2 processes. Then only 2 processes or 1 processes which you have been selected, only 2 applications will run, other will expire or they will not run. So just select 1 process or 2 process. Then go back, and here when you will go to the drawing section, Windows animation scales, you can also turn it to 0.5 or 1. Transit 0.5 or 1. I will select 0.5. 3 settings you have to change, and you will feel the increase in the speed of your mobile. So, and the last one, if you are playing gaming, then this setting is very important. Just go above. Where is it? Is in drawing, input drawing. Yes, in drawing you can say force 4x MSSA, enable it. So you will feel the considerable difference in your gaming performance. And another I want to tell you, that is in app section. Here in app section you will found force allow apps on external, means if you are downloading any app, that app will be eligible to be written to the external storage or memory devices. So you will feel considerable amount of improvement in the performance of your mobile, the battery mobile and network performance. So these are all settings, 6 settings I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.